I see we have new visitors. Welcome, Sarah.
As they travel across inverse roadways, pedestrians. Getting around Xandar couldn't be easy. Our solar trains run day and night thanks to our nearly endless supply of light. Multiple stations throughout the city.
All designed to provide our citizens with a better way of life.
One horizontal bar for corn, a T for denarian, a cross for religion, a half star for centurions like myself, and a full star for Nova Corps. The Nova Corps uniforms reflect our peacekeeping mission with clean lines and a deep blue hue that honors the abundant life-giving waters of our planet.
To save us all, and Xandar. Fortunately, he's plant-based, so we grew him back. And they grow up so fast, especially when you water them.
It would appear so. So back to my original question, whose idea was it to save Xandar?
It was Quill's. And this happening before all humans said.
I'll be back with more of the Guardians in a moment. Xandar was nearly destroyed by a rogue Kree who chose not to honor our peace treaty. Without the Nova Corps forces and the unusual allies like the Ravagers and the Guardians of the Galaxy, we would never survive.
And now, please step forward into the Welcome Center, making room for everyone. Thank you.
So you're right here, please. All the way up here. Perfect. Fill in all the middle space. Right here, please. All the 3 lines. There we go. Right, this way. Thank you. Fill all that space. All the way over to left and right.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Real, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT. EPCOTers. EPCOTians. Citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Everyone in. Here we go. You made it! I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourselves what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova Corps?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Now, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What? There's cake. Where's this cake? The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrence, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the fleet if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. Enough now, because this planet of Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me when I'm on. Are you Terrence still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out. Could this day get any worse?
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large map, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
It's useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
The Big Bang!
I've seen this.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! We're rich!
Oh yeah? Rocket, get us home.
You know what really helps? An instruction manual.
I will destroy you.
Yeah, we get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay, let me try this. Wait, just
Milk gives me gas.
Quill, we're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Nova Team, wing your star blasters.
We haven't contained, but not for long.
Our world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Hey,
We're back. Blocking coordinates for EPCOT.
It's EPCOT. Remind me to raise our rates.
I am pleased.
You're all heroes.
So, do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? And do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You're lying to them. Now I understand. Welcome to the Guardians.
It's exceeding.
I thought he doesn't. We can't go back to back on this.
Yeah. Okay.